K2G Box AI is making waves as one of the best just released AI software tools on the market. And if you're wondering what makes it stand out, stick around because I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about K2G Box. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why this could be a game changer for your digital strategy. So keep watching. First things first, K2G Box AI is built to streamline and supercharge your workflow. Whether you're managing a business or just looking to improve personal productivity, this tool is designed to help you automate processes, cut down on time-consuming tasks, and boost your efficiency. But what makes it really shine is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other complex AI software, K2G Box doesn't overwhelm you with technical jargon. It's straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to start leveraging its power immediately. Now, what exactly does K2G Box do? The software combines cutting-edge machine learning with AI-driven automation to help you optimize your business operations. Whether it's automating customer support, handling social media posts, or even analyzing data to uncover trends and insights, K2G Box covers a lot of ground. It's like having a virtual assistant who learns from your preferences and continuously gets better at delivering results. One of the standout features is the platform's ability to integrate with a wide variety of other tools, which is key in a world where businesses use multiple platforms. K2G Box AI easily integrates with your existing CRM, email marketing tools, and other software, allowing you to sync everything and create a seamless workflow. This is where it really earns its spot among the best just released AI software tools. In addition to automation, K2G Box excels in its data analytics capabilities. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by piles of raw data, K2G Box will change the game. It uses AI to sift through your data and deliver actionable insights in a way that's both easy to understand and incredibly valuable for making strategic decisions. So whether you're analyzing customer behavior or evaluating your marketing campaigns, you'll get a clearer picture of what's working and where you need to pivot. Another major point to consider is the speed of K2G Box. In today's fast-paced business environment, time is everything, and this software is designed to save you plenty of it. From setting up workflows to generating reports, K2G Box works faster than most traditional systems, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on getting bogged down by manual tasks. Now, it's important to talk about the pricing. The developers of K2G Box offer a completely free trial, which is a huge plus for anyone on the fence. This gives you an opportunity to test out all the features without any upfront commitment. If you like what you see, you can opt into one of the affordable plans based on the scale of your business needs. And lastly, the support system behind K2G Box deserves a mention. They offer robust customer service with both chat and email support to help you navigate any challenges you might face. They also have a solid knowledge base filled with tutorials and FAQs, making it easy to get help when needed. So here's the deal, K2G Box. AI isn't just another AI software on the market. It's a powerful tool that can truly optimize your workflows, make better business decisions, and save you time. You can try it for free right now with the link below. As someone who's tested and used countless AI tools, I can confidently say that K2G Box is among the best out there. And I've got a list of my top AI software recommendations in the description, all of which you can try for free. If you're looking for something to boost your productivity and digital strategy, K2G Box AI might just be the tool you need.